Church 916. Man, it's a cold morning out here in Scottsdale. I'm at the Toy Barn Car Show. First car show in the Porsche. Just got it back. Man, the thing drives like a new car. Still got some stuff I want to clean up on it, but overall, I'm happy. Everything else is just cosmetic. Mechanically, the car is tight. So shout out to Cooper Automotive for hooking up the mechanics on it. And yeah, man, it's a lot of cars out here this morning, so I'm gonna take a stroll through. And hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what your favorite car is. That's a beautiful Jaguar just pulled up. Look at this thing right here. Man, it's clean. Coupe, XK Coupe. Nice. Then we got a 427 Impala right next to it. That thing is clean too. These are the, looks like a, I don't know, what's this? 427 it says, looks like a 60, I don't know if it's 69. I'm not sure the year. Clean car. You got a mono here. You don't see too many of these on the road. This is like a straight track car, but you can drive it. Got a cockpit in that thing, and look at that motor mounted in the back with the exhaust and that suspension. Pretty crazy. Haven't seen too many of these. And look how tight it is in there. Man, that thing is tight. The BAC mono. I know the handle on this has got to be crazy. Got a lot of Porsches out here. A lot of Porsches. Got a Lotus here. This is Elmira. Elmira. These are cool. That turbo V6.
Yeah, how about that?
This is a classic for you. Clean. Special Deluxe. Old school Bentley right here. It's pretty cool. Past the Grey Poupon. So, like a Yellowbird, rough. If I'm not mistaken, it says, doesn't say rough on it, but it looks like the Yellowbird Carrera RS. I think it may be a rough. Nice car. That's the clean 60, 65. Thing's nice. I like the way they did the paint on this. Clean 350. The Will Woods. That's nice. Clean. 200 mile per hour club on the license plate. Badass Porsche. 200 mile per hour club, Bonneville. This is a runner. This is a runner right here.
How are you? You know, it's cut between Christmas and New Year's. How about everything? Yeah, everybody's digging it so far.
I like that jacket,
yeah,
man. That's cool.
Mario's usually the crowd favorite, but this one's picking up for today. Everybody's digging this one. Yeah. Well, when they start building these homes, they won't want to be here because they're the ones.
Lots of Porsches. That's a beautiful Porsche. Oh, you're fine. That's nice. I like the seats in there. Double sports. Beautiful. Look at this. Clean. Carrera RS is nice. Good morning. That thing is clean. This color combination. Beautiful. This guy, you know he's a Porsche guy. This Ford right here is Southwest Nationals. Good guys. Look at the heads on this motor. Wow. It's pretty badass. Get inline brakes. A lot of work went into this car. Clean. Piece of art right here. This guy's got a couple classic German cars over here. He's got a 3.0 BMW, and it looks like the 280 Mercedes convertible, and then he's got a Chevy truck back there. It's got a nice little selection and got a Porsche back there. A chill garage. I've seen this El Camino before. This is got a roaster shop chassis. It's actually a roaster shop build. And this guy, he's got a couple roaster shop builds. It's badass. It's got a wicked stance to it. And you pull up to this thing, you might catch the blues because he's got some horsepower in this baby. And it's a 6-speed. This is badass. Beautiful El Camino. Ford GT with the Le Mans livery. Man, that's badass. Always like these Ford GTs. This is one of my favorite supercars right here. Man, this car is timeless, man. Timeless. Man, badass. Nice convertible 427 Corvette. Porsche GTS Targa. Excuse me. This cool Countach right here. Look at this. Classic Cannonball right here.
Yeah. The real deal.
The real deal. Wow. So cool.
These are worth $1 million, these things.
Yeah, they creeped up real quick. Beautiful.
Everybody have to post on the wall.
Beautiful car. Lamborghini STO. This thing's a beast right here. Clean. Now, you don't see too many of these. This is a BMW Z8 Alpina. A beautiful car. And definitely a collector's car. It's coming up on the market. These have been gradually increasing in prices. They didn't have crazy horsepower, but just the engineering that went into this car is sick. Now the Z3 is like a baby version of this, or Z4, but the Z8, this is the one, and the Alpina is their performance version. I mean, just a beautiful car. It's one of my favorite BMWs besides the M1. Sick. Nice truck, man. That was Cars and Coffee at the Toy Barn out here at Cave Creek. Hope you enjoyed it. A lot of cool cars, a lot of great people, and it's still cold as heck. So I'm gonna stroll through a little bit more, but make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and go to Big Kirk 916.
Tired of the smell of funky? Have you lost your ad? Go to BigKirk916.com and get to Nutsack Run.